These are the top 5 reasons you're going to absolutely love this home and why you're going to want to make it your own. Let me show you. It shows like a model home. You'll love the custom closets. A fully finished basement set up for entertainment. Look at this deck. And this patio. The gazebo. And there's a sprinkler system, plus a whole house generator.
The location in Dominion Valley with 2 Arnold Palmer signature golf courses and countless amenities.
I love everything about this house. Come see it for yourself.